Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create velocity edit with just a few clicks on CapCut Mobile. So what you need to prepare is a clip and also the audio or music to accompany the clip. And after this, just click on the clip, go to style and find the velocity option. So in here there are five velocity edits that you can do: flash, blur shake, fade blur, retro zoom, and rainbow. So just select one of this velocity edit that you want. So I'm going to try the flash one. Click on the style and it will be applied to your clip. Just wait until it's done. So make sure that you also add the audio along with the video, because it won't work if you don't add the audio. Now the style has been applied. Click on the check icon and this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.